এটা কি মানে digital microscope for all the students?
Yeah. So in a single microscope, like the optical one, generally you can only show whatever you are showing to only one child at a time. So in a class of 40 children, it takes more than a period. Fine, to go for everything. So with the help of this one, I would be able to show everyone the same thing at the same time while I project it on a screen, on a big screen. So this is just the body and this is the microscope. It's in a rudimentary stage. I'll have to work on the optics more. But this one is going to give me about 400x.
Okay. Okay.
Light source inside the box.
So the microscope is working.
Yeah, it's obviously
So
working.
what exactly are you showing?
I'm showing a plant cell. Fine. Now this is I
Where
need.
is the plant?
Well, you see that glass slide that I'm holding, and the green stuff in the center. That's the plant cell. Now look there. Look there.
Okay, and this is the
This is a plant cell.
okay. So what are these black dots?
Some of them are dirt particles, but the ones which I'm not yet resolved enough, the one here, the one here, these are the plant cell nucleus.
Okay.
So here is my digital microscope. Fine. What I put here is the plant cell, and here on the computer you can see it's getting transmitted. It's pretty clear. I'll just make it a little more clear. The center blue, dark blue ones are nothing but the nucleus, and you can see the individual cells. Now what So here's the amoeba. Fine. I make it a little clear. It just disappeared. Anyways, I'll try to. So here's the amoeba. Fine. The scratches are basically the scratches which have been there on the slide. Fine. Here's the slide that contains amoeba in the binary fission. Okay. So the amoeba is undergoing binary fission. You see. So this is how the digital microscope works.